And guys, so we're back with another Colouring Book AI like review kind of thing. I've kept it as dinosaurs in spacesuits, but this time we're going to try it with, teenagers, see if it makes it a bit more. This was for children, yeah? Or for toddlers? Can't remember what this one for. Yeah, for children, so let's see if we can make more. Just wasted a bit of time, but this is where it comes. We've used nearly 30 seconds now, but let's see if it can create them in less than 60 seconds, yeah? These are for teenagers. You don't want them babyish. Yeah, these are a bit more better, like this one's quite cool. You've got the black background as well, so you can make it stand out as well with bright colours and that, but I like it with a few different dinosaurs. Yeah, so we can download. We did it in less than 6 seconds, as you can see there. I'm just going to carry on for a few seconds where I show you. You click download, yeah, download PNG or PDF. I'm just going to show you what the ones are like as well. Quite cool as well, eh guys? Got loads of different details you can colour in. And then come over here, press download. Or you can online colour it as well, yeah. If you don't like that, you can remix it as well. But yeah guys, it's a good little software, isn't it? If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the bio or in the description below. Thanks for watching.